It's a Super Science Wednesday, Plants Edition. Hey, first grade. Hey, kindergarten. We're starting a brand new unit in science this week. This will be our living things and plant unit that we will finish the year out with. So for the rest of the year, we're going to be studying plants and living things, learning more about them. We're going to begin our lesson, or our unit this week, our lesson, talking about living versus non-living. Everything in the world can be put into one of these two categories, either into living or non-living. And it's good for scientists to sort their data and to sort their specimens as they explore different things. And so, of course, today we're going to be sorting items, whether they are living or non-living. And we're going to be talking about what makes something living and what makes something non-living. So as we dive into that, let's start with our song. Of course, teacher always has to sing to you and with you. I believe I sang this song last year or maybe the year before. If you don't remember it, listen to it the first time. If you do remember it, sing with me. It is living, I know why, I know why. It eats and breathes and grows, it eats and breathes and grows. It's alive, it's alive. Try it with me. It is living, I know why, I know why. It eats and breathes and grows, it eats and breathes and grows. It's alive, it's alive. So I'm going to read a book to you today, and it's going to be talking about things that are living versus non-living. And as I read the book, I want you to be thinking about what makes something living. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. This is one of teacher's favorite. I've read two of my favorite books to you in 2 days. Chrysanthemum from art class yesterday. And this book, Do You Know Which Ones Will Grow, is one of my other favorite books that I read in kindergarten, first grade. I love it so much. I found it one time at the library in Hutchinson, and I immediately went home and I bought it online so I could have it in my own classroom. That's how much I liked it. I bought it immediately. Do You Know Which Ones Will Grow? By Susan A. Shea. Paintings by Tom Slaughter. Do you know which ones will grow? If a duckling grows and becomes a duck, can a car grow and become a truck? If a cub grows and becomes a bear, can a stool grow and become a chair? If a kitten grows and becomes a cat, can a cap grow and become a hat? If a kid grows and becomes a goat, can a sweater grow and become a coat? If an owlet grows and becomes an owl, can a washcloth grow and become a towel? Yes to ducks, bears, and owls. No to trucks, chairs, and towels. Yes to cats. Yes to goats. No to hats. No to coats. If a calf grows and becomes a cow, can a shovel grow and become a plow? If a snakelet grows and becomes a snake, can a cupcake grow and become a cake? If a piglet grows and becomes a pig, can a pickup truck grow and become a rig? If a kit grows and becomes a fox, can a watch grow and become a clock? If a joey grows and becomes a kangaroo, can a baby grow and become you? Yes to cows, yes to snakes, no to plows, no to cakes. Yes to pigs, yes to fox, no to rigs, no to clocks. Yes to a jumping kangaroo, yes to a living, growing you. Good job, friends. All right, let's just move back here to that one page, this page here. On this page, you can see things across the top in white that are living, and you can see things across the bottom that are not living. And I wanted you to think about what makes something living and what makes something non-living. Does anybody have any suggestions? I'm listening. Okay, I heard some good ones. Our song kind of helps us, gives us a few clues as to what makes something living and non-living. I could say a living thing eats, or needs to get some type of energy to grow. It breathes, and it grows. So if something is living, it needs to get energy or eat in some way. It breathes or needs oxygen, and it has the ability to grow. Those would be 3 good things to say about whether something is living or not. Does a truck need to eat? No, but it does need fuel, doesn't it? Which is kind of like eating. Does it breathe? No. It needs oxygen in its motor to run well, but it doesn't breathe. Does a truck grow? No, it doesn't have the ability to grow, does it? So we know a truck is non-living. What about a kitty cat? Does a kitty cat eat? Yes. Does it breathe? Yes. Does it grow? Yes. Those are some questions we can ask ourselves when we're thinking about whether something is living or non-living. I'm going to go ahead and set my phone up. We're going to do a little pocket chart activity.